All right, orthographic projections highlight deals with homes, because this might be a little more concrete for some of you. So I'll use a concrete object. So here's just a very basic 3-bedroom house, and we're going to draw our elevations. We're going to draw the four views. So in this case, we have a front view. Yes, it's top, front, back. It kind of depends. This one is our frontal plane always. Then you would have your top or your background, and you could have your right and your left side. If we're doing elevations, north, south, east, west. So they're different things, but they work on the same principles. So step one is I'm going to draw. We're going to say each square is equal to 2 feet, so it's 8 feet tall for just a generic 8-foot wall. And let's drill down what we see here. So those little squares, the line through the middle, are a symbol for windows. The little line with the swing is a symbol for a door. So I've drawn everything down. And then I'm going to look at it and go, okay, well, I have a window here. This little symbol here is kind of hard to see. Come on. Come on. Eee. Trying to get it to focus in a little better. It's not necessarily doing better. A little worse. Come on. Come on. Okay. You're just going to have to trust me and look when you're drawing, because I cannot get the camera to focus any little better in there. This little corner in here is our kitchen. So this is our cabinets and a sink. So we have a window here. We have a window at a sink. It's not going to be a full pane window. It's only going to be a half pane, because it can't go down farther than the cabinets. So you have to think things like that. Like over here in your bathroom over the toilet where you have a window. It's the same thing. You're not going to have the window come all the way down. It's only going to come down halfway or partial, because obviously you don't want everybody to be able to see in your bathroom, see everything. So typically, it would come down 2 feet from the top and about 2 feet in height. So that gives you plenty of room in here for your cabinet. And it could be more, it could be a little more, but we're going to say the 2. So now these windows here and here are full doors. So they are full. So again, I come down that 2, up 2. And it could be less or more depending on the window you have. The window specs will tell you what size the window is. All right, then we have our door. Doors are typically 6 foot tall. So again, that same 2 foot mark. So in this elevation, 0.9, make it a little darker so you can see it better now. And this door is swinging in. See the notice arc that way? So if I was to close that door, physically think about it, my door handle would be about right there. So that's how I know that one. And then just make it representative so it stands out a little bit more like an actual window, so I can get that part. Draw the millions. Millions. So there's our basic print elevation of the house. You draw the other 3 views the same way. You project everything that you see over, pay attention to that symbol, know what it is that you're dealing with. and then draw it accordingly. And pay kind of attention slightly again of what room it is. Use a little common sense when you're dealing with the window, like the window in the bathroom. Obviously it is not coming down all the way, because don't nobody need to see nobody's hiney. I mean, think about it. Kitchen, the same thing. You got your countertops, it can't go down all the way, because you would then be looking at the person washing the dish and seeing the back of your cabinets, etc. So we have to have enough for cabinet height and backsplash. So it's just some basic common stuff. For those of you that need it, feel free to go back in and draw the casements around it. Some students feel the need to do this. I honestly don't care if you do it. I'm just going to be looking, do you have the basic views? Because I just want to see, can you draw those? All right, and you're going to finish drawing it on your own.